Welcome to a research word in 1 minute. Research word number 13, capacity. American pronunciation, capacity. 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 British pronunciation,
Capacity. Capacity. Capacity.
meaning. Capacity means the amount of space a container or a room has to hold things or people, and someone's ability to do something. Common usages in academic writing that you need to know are seating capacity, storage capacity, mental capacity, and learning capacity. Example sentences. Capacity, noun. The storage capacity of the tank is 10,000 liters. And children have a higher learning capacity for languages. Now you can use capacity confidently in your research. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Have a great week.